Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are going to react to SB19 Rise for Honor. This is, I guess, like their collaboration song with Honor of Kings. Man, I'm just happy, no, na finally. Again, we have, or they already have a collaboration with a mobile game before, which is the Farlight. The song that we listened before, it's actually a banger. But yeah, yung sinasabi ko nga, diba? Si Ken din, nagkaroon siya ng collaboration with PUBG, right? I feel like it's so cool. And sobrang angas, no? Pag yung artist na nagipag-collab sa isang game. And yeah, I mean, I'm really proud of this project nila na to. And also, as you can see, Honor of Kings is like a League of Legends game, but in mobile. So if you guys ever play League of Legends, or medyo updated ka sa like League of Legends contents, they actually have a lot of parang how you call this, like songs na re-release ng Riot, no? So I'm really excited kung magiging ganun ba yung feels nito. Well, without further ado, man, let's get it. It is, man. It is. Same feels, no? Lalo na pag may mga e-sport events na nangyayari sa League of Legends, may mga ganito sila. Sabi niya doon? Okay. Meron akong maling narinig doon sa part na yan, but ayan na natin. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Man, I'm really impressed sa animation nito, no? Ayta nyo, parang meron tayong like 2D and like 3D na animation. Parang nag-switch siya ng animation or animation style every time that I assume this is like a hero or a character in Honor of Kings. Para siyang kasi I just recently finished To Be Hero X na anime. It's a Chinese anime, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys never watched that or hindi pa nakakapanood nun, panoorin nyo. To Be Hero X. Oh, sakto, no? Sakto yung parang hero na pinili nila para sa chorus, kasi again, I'm burning like a flame, sabi niya ni Pablo doon. Oh shit. Sabi niya, I'm a warrior. I'm always ready for the game. Man, that is what's up. Go on. Especially that last part there. I mean, come on. SB19 just going crazy with the song, but the animation as well. Come on, man. Katagawa ng, oh man, katagawa ng trailer ng game. Woohoo! Let's go. Alright, well again, that's SB19, a collaboration with Honor of Kings. This is Rise for Honor. I mean, hindi na ako masyadong naglalaro ng mga gatong game, no? Like, mga competitive game. Kahit sa PC or sa mobile. Because I'm too stressed out, no? Sometimes, nakaka-stress siya masyado. So, again, adulting life, we have a very limited time to play. Tapos every time na mag-play ka, bad trip ka pa. So, kaya iniiwasan ko na sila ngayon. But, man, I never actually play Honor of Kings. I did play Mobile Legends before. Mukhang papadownload tayo. Aside from, I just want to say, aside from the song, let's go with the animation first. The animation is fucking banging. That's one of the reasons why I feel like I want to download it. Just want to see. I just want to, check. But also, the song. Do you hear the song? Hindi nga siya tunog no? Like, tunog imported. Kumbaga. Man. And kung nawagin ko nga sa inyo, kung mapainggan nyo yung mga kanta na ginawa, for example, for League of Legends, it's the same vibe, man. It's international vibe. Like, this is a song as well that you can also listen. I hope they are going to release like a full song for this. Not just like, not just for this video. Because you can actually use this song if you're working out or something like that. Right? Kasi parang nakaka-hype siya na nakaka-hype yung dating ng kanta. But I just want to say, Honor of Kings, you guys chose the right artist, no? Para, para kuwain and kumanta para dito sa video nyo to, or cinematic video nyo ito para sa Honor of Kings. And also, Honor of Kings is, man, they have a budget, no? They actually have a budget. That's good. Alright, well, I mean, that's a reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo mag-sabitin yung artist. Singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo dyan, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.